Welcome to Ride Review. Today we're checking out the 2025 Honda Rebel 500, a mid-capacity cruiser known for its approachable style, smooth twin engine, and neo-bobber appeal. What's new in 2025? Honda has refined the Rebel 500 for 2025 with a redesigned seat cushion, repositioned handlebars for better reach, and updated rear shocks to enhance comfort and reduce bottoming. The instrument cluster is now easier to read in sunlight, and subtle aesthetic changes like color-matched fenders and new matte finishes, such as matte black metallic, pearl blue, pearl beige, gunmetal black metallic, and candy red, modernize its style. Engine and performance. Under the hood is the 471 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin, DOHC, 8-valve, producing about 45 to 46 horsepower at 500 RPM and 43.3 Newton-meters torque at 6,000 RPM. Paired with a 6-speed manual gearbox and slipper clutch, it delivers smooth throttle response and strong low-end torque ideal for city cruising and relaxed highway riding. Chassis, ergonomics and suspension. Built on a tubular steel frame, the Rebel 500 has a low 690 mm, 27.2-inch seat height and 58.6, 1,490 mm wheelbase, making it accessible and stable. It weighs around 408 pounds, almost equals 185 kg, for standard and 419 pounds, almost equals 190 kg, for ABS SE variant. Suspension includes a 41 mm telescopic fork and dual Showa shocks with 7-step preload adjustment, 3.7 travel, tuned for comfort. Brakes and features. Braking is handled by a 296 mm front disc and 240 mm rear disc, with dual-channel ABS standard on ABS models, Indian Rupee 6, 799 Indian Rupee 6, 999 value. Features include full LED lighting, compact digital LCD cluster, speed, gear, fuel, odometer, and optional USB-C charging port. Fuel economy and range. A 3.0-gallon, almost equals 11.4 L, tank paired with an efficient engine returns real-world mileage of 27 to 30 km/L, is almost equal to 6370 mpg, providing a range of approximately 210 miles, 330 km, per fill. Real rider feedback. Riders online emphasize the Rebel's mix of comfort and confidence. Cruising at 65 to 75 miles per hour, no issue. Did a 1,500-mile trip, no problems. Display is easier to read, softer seat, better suspension, comfort upgrades are real. Some highlight minor ergonomic quirks. Seat and mid controls caused hip cramping after longer rides. Aftermarket forward controls and seat upgrades remain popular among riders seeking more comfort. Pros and considerations. White heavy checkmark pros. Low seat height and approachable weight make it ideal for new and shorter riders. Smooth, easy-to-use twin engine with sufficient torque. Updated seat, suspension, and handlebars improve ride comfort. Classic bobber styling with modern touches like LED lights. Reliable, user-friendly, and low maintenance. Dual-channel ABS standard on SE model. Warning considerations. Limited wind protection for highway riding without accessories. Ergonomics.